everybody? It's your boy Killer B coming back at you with another video, man. Today is Monday, Memorial Day, and it's hot out here, y'all. You see your boy already sweating. Your boy been working, putting some things on the bike. Man, I want to thank my big dude from Khrome Werks, Rob. I appreciate you, bro, for just constantly taking care of your boy. But man, today, y'all, they sent me a chin spoiler. I wanted to change my little chin spoiler right down here on the bike. Perfectly match up to the denim black paint on the bike. It looks really good. Very simple instructions. I already installed it because it's very easy. All you got to do is, if you got the stock one on it, just pop it off. These instructions are very easy to read, and it's only one screw once you get it up in there. And you got a little spacer thing that goes on there, and it's got the slot. It shows you everything in here on the slot, how to do that. So man, very simple, easy installment on this bike. I'm gonna show you what it looked like, and I'm gonna show you what I took off the bike as well. I'm definitely gotta show you what I took off. But man, I like the way that boy look. I'm gonna show it to you, and then I'm gonna show you what I took off the bike. All right, let me show that. All right, yeah, I'm gonna turn my tire right here. That's the chin spoiler. You see how it look? It goes all the way up there. I like it because it cleans up the look and hides a lot of wires if you got wires run up down your frame of your bike. And it just look really good, and it just matches up with the bike really, really well. And the look of it is just awesome, y'all. Check out the look of it. Like I say, it's one little bolt that goes right behind here where the spacer is. It goes right there. So it's very easy to do. So yeah, but this is what I took off the bike right here. I took the Harley Davidson cooler off, cover, and I took this off here. This thing come off of Amazon. That come from Harley, you know, but yeah, I just thought with that one piece look right here, I just thought the one piece look would look better, and it really does, man. It just, look at that look of the bike right there. That looks really good, man. Like I said, this is not gonna be a long drawn out video. I just want to show you what I did to the bike, and make sure you go check out HardWorks.com. They got tour packs. They got wraparound fender, they got the lower with the speakers. They got everything that you need at Khrome Werks. So y'all, make sure you go check out Khrome Werks. That piece looked really good. It really brought out the bike down there too. So make sure you check out HardWorks.com. Man, again, my dude, Big Rob, appreciate you, bro, for sending me that over. Hey man, like I say, I got my saddlebags from Khrome Werks. I got my saddlebag liners from Khrome Werks. Like I said, it's a lot of stuff that they have. You can actually rebuild your whole bike from Khrome Werks. If you're looking for just a total different color on your bike, they can do it. So yeah, man, but that's gonna be it, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all that piece right there. Like I said, it was very easy. It wasn't no need of showing you how to do it. Like I said, it's just one screw in the middle. You will see it, and it goes right in that little hole on the frame, and that boy mounts right in. You see your boy sweating already. I want to go take a ride. The wind is kind of nice and everything, so I might go take a little ride, just show it off a little bit. But Khrome is looking good. I'm getting ready for Knoxville, man, but y'all stay tuned to next time, the next grind. Y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed one. And to all my veterans, hey, man, love y'all, man. Peace out. Have a blessed one.